the small balls. So I'll proceed like this. I'm not going to give any further diagram, just only the, so this you take M, this also M, let it be M naught, I'll write it because capital M, small m, so we'll make a difference of that, M naught. This is alpha, this is beta, and it is having a small, so let me call this is A, B, and this as wedge as C. We'll give symbols here. What is the height? It will h. So what can be this length is equal to? A call P1, P2. We have h. So therefore sine alpha is equal to h by AP1. So AP1 equal to h by sine alpha. Similarly, sine beta is equal to h by BP2. So length of the incline, length of the other incline, h by sine beta. Let's come for this. Displacement of A with respect to C. XAC is equal to displacement of ball A with respect to wedge C. Later on we'll change symbols. Displacement of ball A with respect to wedge C along x-axis should be equal to displacement of ball A with respect to ground along x-axis minus displacement of wedge C along x-axis. So what is the question asked? When the balls are released, they roll down the inclined face of the wedge and at bottom get stuck in special traps. How far will wedge shift during movement of ball relative to wedge? Is asking displacement of wedge, no? XCX. So now what is XAC? You should write here. Along the incline, how much? AP1. AP1 cos alpha. And what is the direction? Towards left. So towards left, I'll take it positive. Then XAX. So this is what the displacement of ball with respect to ground. We don't know. That of the wedge. Wedge either it will move right or left, no? Let it be. So let's assume that it is moving towards left here. Then again you have to take care that sign when you're substituting there also. So shall I just leave it? Let's not go for sign. So what is XAX is equal to? XAX is equal to AP1. We don't know AP1. Okay, let me substitute value. What is AP1? H by sine alpha. Oh. Just wait, something got switched off. Oh, everything lost. Huh? Okay, I'll continue again. Okay, I'll finish off soon that one. Okay, let's proceed here. This is a block M, A, B. This is alpha. This is beta. This is voltage, and we'll give symbols P1 and P2. No, come for this. So what is sine alpha? Let's first get the mathematics properly. So sine alpha h by AP1. So AP1 h by sine alpha. Similarly, sine beta h by BP2. Length of the inclines AP1, AP like a BP2.
Sir, not able to see.
You're not able to see, huh?
Sir, we
Yes,
cannot
sir.
see.
Wait. Oh, this is some. Now, okay. Are you able to
Yes,
view?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the same diagram. I'm just continuing. Sine alpha h by AP1, sine beta h by BP2. Okay, this is about the basic condition. Okay, let's come for directly. XAX, displacement of block with respect to wedge, XAC is equal to displacement of block with respect to block with respect to ground along x-axis minus displacement of wedge with respect to ground along x-axis. Is it okay now? C means here. M naught, this is C. The wedge I am taking at C. Blocks as A and B. Symbols, let's take that one. Now, what is XAC? How much the block will move along the incline? AP1, along x-axis, AP cos alpha 1. So, AP cos alpha. AP1 cos alpha towards left. So, this, let me take positive, and anything towards left, negative. I don't know this. And this is what the displacement of the wedge, no? So, this you keep it as it is. So AP1. So what is value of AP1? I think we are from here we lost contact earlier. Yeah. So what is XAX is equal to h by tan alpha plus XCX. Any other symbols you can apply it. It's your connect. Similarly, you go for XBC, displacement of block B with respect to this equal to XB x minus XCX. This should be equal to XBX. So this should be equal to, now what you can write, BP2 cos beta. Shall I put negative? Why negative? That'll be towards right, no? And I'm not sure about this, and I'm not sure about this one. So what is XBX now? Should be equal to, let me substitute this. So what is value of BP2? H by sine beta cos beta negative sign. XBX is equal to XCX minus H tan beta. So we have two equations. So what I should do this, where I should substitute now? And what is the net force acting on system along x-axis? Will be 0. I'm not showing that. N1, there'll be normal contact force will be acting between the blocks and the wedge, and the resultant force along on the system along x-axis will be 0. What we should do after this? I think again the same basic formula. I'll take it out the write down the equation. So what is the equation, generalized equation we should write? Mass of the block A, MA into XAX, MB into xbx plus mc into delta xc. What is xax? Displacement of block with respect to like a ground along x-axis. So what is MA? MA is M. I'm substituting all with symbol that one, and this is H tan alpha plus XC. XCX is XC that, or we'll keep it XCX only. That one. No, this is M. XCX minus H tan beta plus this is capital M or M naught delta XCX equal to XC. Delta XAX equal to XC. Delta XBX equal to XB. If you are familiar with the symbols, you can manage, you can carry on. So therefore, what is XC should be equal to M H 1 by tan alpha 1 by tan beta all divided by M plus M naught, where M naught is capital M. So 1 by tan alpha, cot alpha, you can write it. Now, what to do with these curves? What to do is curves, just to show that it will not escape, means it will come and collide and get stuck to it. Okay, nothing to do that one. He just wanted to tell you like afterwards they lose contact, what will happen, no? So by the time they combine, collide, inelastic collision occurs, they get stuck to it. So, yeah.
Sir, it is 1 by tan B minus 1 by tan alpha.
Negative sign, no?
Yes.
I'll do one thing. This is X, here negative will come. What do you mean by negative? It will get displaced towards left. Okay, symbols only, you have to be a little bit alert. Nothing is there in this problem. No need to draw diagram. Earlier I have to draw no initial, final, everything make it formula wise. If you find very difficult, come back to the diagram. Center of mass will shift along x-axis. No. Center of mass will it shift along y-axis? Yes, it will be. So I think somewhere you have to conclude here. Otherwise, you'll be in a big trouble. Center of mass here, delta xcm 0. The reason. What about delta ycm is 0? The reason non-zero. Reason. In fact, it will shift along y-axis. If the surface between the inclined plane and the